Aloha, this is Ryan Staub, founder of Moana Glass, and today I would like to talk with you about my lighting. The majority of the lighting I do is pendant lamps, single cord hung pendants. I do also chandeliers where I have multiple pendant lights hanging off of one canopy. Today I want to talk specifically about the cord hung pendants because those are by far my most popular lighting. The pendant lighting that I do is in many ways inspired by Maui, inspired by Hawaii, and by all the colors and the beauty that I see here. And the process of making them is really pretty complicated because it's a lot more than just what happens in the hot shop. The hot shop portion of making the pendant lights involves starting a bubble, coloring that bubble using various different techniques. There's lots of different ways that I do this, but color the bubble, blow it up a little bit, add another layer of glass to it, and then blow that into the final shape. And all of my lighting is hand opened, all made freehand. So I blow the shape, transfer it onto another iron. That allows me to flip it around after I break it off of the original blowpipe, and then I heat up the opening and open it from there to make the final shape. So after that comes the cold working process, where we have to grind it down. We have to take off the button, is what we call it, the little bit of extra glass that we put on the top. So we have to grind that down to contour and then drill it. And we use a diamond core drill to drill it out. And once it's drilled, then we have to assemble it and wire the whole thing up and get it ready to hang. I do a lot of custom work as well as my own designs. So if there's anything you see that you like, but maybe you want it a little different, a little bigger, different colors, whatever, please get in touch with me and I'm happy to work with you to make your perfect lighting dream come true. I have a limited selection of lighting that is for sale on moanaglass.com. If there's anything else you want to see me talk about, please let me know.